Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I am going to do an unboxing for this Cricut heat press. Now, I don't have a Cricut, I actually have a Silhouette, but I saw this and it was a lot cheaper than the actual table stand heat press, so I decided to get this for myself for Christmas. I did ask for this, but my family has this weird thing of not wanting to get me things that I'm going to use for like my business or something like that. They say it's not a gift for myself, but it actually is because it's for my business. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Happy New Year, everyone. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing it, but you haven't heard it from me yet, so Happy New Year. Yeah, so we are going to do the unboxing of this, and I'm going to just talk to you guys a little bit after the video, so let's get into it. Okay, so we are actually opening this for the first time together. So let's do this. Okay. I got the what size is this one? I can't remember. The 12 by something. So the first thing that I see in the box is this little C for Cricut. It's like a heat glitter vinyl, heat transfer vinyl. And then we have, let's do this. I'm assuming this is like the manual and everything, but let's see what it is. So we have, the registration card. And then it is Cricut Easy Press 2. This is the welcome book. So yeah, it just pretty much goes over the heat press, how to use it, what to do, all the fun stuff you need. And it has some links in the back. And then inside of the book was safety instructions. And then also a quick start guide. So that is going to come in handy. So on Thursday, guys, we are actually going to use this and I'll show you how it works. Today we're just doing the unboxing. So then next we have this is what the heat press sits on while you're working. Have the actual heat press, and it says iron on success in 60 minutes or less. So yeah, I got the 12 by 10, which will be 30 centimeters by 25 centimeters if you use centimeters as your measurement. This cable has some heft to it, by the way. And this has some weight to it also, but it comes in this nice little bag here, which is awesome. So if I need to go somewhere and I want to take my heat press with me, I have a nice little bag to carry it in. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, on Thursday we'll do all the turning it on and all that, and I'll show you how it works on actually doing putting a graphic or something on a shirt. But yeah, this is what it is. Looks pretty simple. It has a power button, temperature, timer, higher or lower, and then it has the little Cricut logo on it. I chose this mint. This is actually mint color. It's the one I chose, and here is the heating plate. So yeah, I am going to have a lot of fun with this. So I'm assuming this is how it will sit when you're working in this little tray here. So yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to use it. I've been off my game working, so yeah, that is all for today, guys. But I'm really excited to use it. Sorry about the noise. My husband's walking around upstairs with the dogs, and then my washing machine is going right now. But I wanted to do this because I wanted to give you guys a video. I didn't really have a plan set yet with all the changes going on with YouTube. I really am kind of still conflicted about how I want to go about this channel. I really don't want to change a lot. unfortunately I will have to cater to a more over 13 age group. I don't want my channel, when I created my channel, I wanted to help everyone. I didn't want to have to signal people out. And the changes with YouTube makes it really, really hard for me to do what I do without either eliminating my older age group or alienating kids that may watch my videos because they get cool ideas, because a lot of stuff that I do, that I do for that are easy for kids to do. So there's still a lot of changes going on in the background that I'm working on. Sorry about my nails, guys. The polish, I just polished them yesterday and nail polish is already coming off, but I still have a lot of changes that I'm doing in the background, like, what you don't see on camera, because I want to keep my channel. I don't want to close it down, but I do want to obviously follow YouTube's guidelines for safety for kids, for COPA. I have a daughter that has a channel. She hasn't done any videos recently just because of all the changes that are going on. I want to be sure she is sure how she wants her channel to go as well. So if you don't see me, or you see videos that are really quick, or I direct you to, let's say, my blog or Instagram or somewhere else, just know those things have happened because of the COPA laws and changes that I have to make to benefit myself. I guess that's the best way to say it. And also still allow my older age group to see the videos that I really want you to see. So yeah, I'm doing this for the both of us, guys. So we both can still have my creativity, I guess, on this channel and elsewhere. So also, if you are not subscribed to my blog, make sure you do that, because I may, like I said, I may have videos over there that will not be here on YouTube. And also make sure you are subscribed to me on Instagram, because again, I may put some videos on Instagram TV that may not be here on YouTube. So make sure you are following me at least on Instagram and my blog, which is nikawomack.com. All of the links are in the description. I will be starting mukbangs for real this time, guys, on my vlog channel. It will no longer be my vlog channel. I'll be doing mukbangs and recipes and things like that on that channel. So make sure you are subscribed to that channel, and that is also below that. It's Nika's Life. So make sure you check that out. But also make sure you guys come back Thursday to go over how to use this thing, and how, just to go through it and see how fast it works, how was the quality of it compared to, like, I guess like I said, the stand tabletop heat press, because some of you may have that, so you can kind of see a comparison of how this works based on maybe what you have. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. This was, like I said, a Christmas gift to myself because no one wanted to buy it for me because they thought it wasn't a gift for me, but I'm actually super excited about it. That's just me though. I'm the little things make me happy. So yeah, and I want to again thank all of you so much for supporting me even through the times that I'm not on here. I did take 2 weeks off. I think I took a complete 2 weeks. I'm not sure, but I did get you the rewind video, so maybe I didn't do full 2 weeks, but I just needed time, guys. My kids had 2 weeks vacation. My husband took 2.5 weeks vacation, so I just needed some time to myself. Yeah, there's so much going on in our family, and I just got overwhelmed, so I needed to just take a break. But I'm back, I'm happy, and I'm in my creative room or sewing space, workspace, whatever you want to call it. I'm back down here, and it actually feels really good to be down here again and not like confined in my room. So yeah. Yeah, but I want to thank you guys so much. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload. By chance, if YouTube does not allow comments, you can comment on this video on my Instagram, where the picture will be posted for this video. So make sure you are following me on Instagram. brain fart. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate you so much, and I'll see you Thursday. Bye.